Hey guys, it's Wanda, and what does most women hate in their kitchen? Flies and gnats, right? And it is canning season. We've been harvesting a lot of things, and the one thing that comes in with all the fruit is flies and gnats. The one thing we have here on our homestead is pears, apples, and now pomegranates. And pears, the flies just seem to love to come to anything like this, and if they've got a bad spot, oh, there's one. Anything like that, that smell attracts flies and gnats. So that will be one of the first ones that I peel to get it out of here. Pomegranates, this is my first ones for the season. We're going to be taking and opening those shortly just to see. But you can see there's a gnat even now flying around. It smells it since I messed with this. They come in when your door's open. Doesn't mean you've got a bad house, but during harvest season, they find this type stuff no matter what you do. So my friends over at Katchy, Katchy, sent me this. Katchy, see, has this little pull-out tray on the bottom that has a sticky trap. You can see already some of them have found it. And that just snaps in there. It has an ultraviolet light at the top. You can, it's got automatic manual. I've got it on manual down low, all the way up to high on the light. It has a fan in it. That's high, that's low. The purpose of this, the ultraviolet light, you turn your lights out, the ultraviolet light catches the attention of the flies and the gnats. In the top, their little secret thing is this. I've got apple cider vinegar and a touch of dishwashing soap in there, like one drop. They love the smell of apple cider vinegar. They will come to this, and inside they go in there. And what happens is they get in there, that fan sucks them down, and then they get into the sticky trap on the bottom. So I've got mine sitting here by the compost. If you guys are looking for anything like a Katchy, you can turn it on at night and let it just do its work. So thank you, Katchy, for sending us this. It is taking some of these little gnats out. And like I said, I've got mine sitting by the compost. Seemed to be the perfect place to stick a Katchy. Thank you, guys.